Morning tube. Today is Saturday, May 17th. It's about 7:20 right now. Headed to the shop. Game day, guys. You guys ain't up today? You guys ain't up already? You guys are late. So today's Saturday. Busiest day of the week, guys. If you guys don't know that about the Barber game, something you guys learned today. Saturday is the busiest day of the Barber game, guys. So if you're not at the shop by now, you are late. And guess what? When you're late, you don't make as much money. It's just a proven fact. Early bird gets the worm. Always. Not once in a while, always. You must get up and you must go out there and grind, guys. Grind. What are you sleeping for? What, you don't like money? Shoot, I love money. Money makes the world go round. You have to get up, guys. Got to get up and earn that. All right? With that, I'm headed to the shop right now. I'm going to get this day started. I'm pumped up. Today's going to be a good day. Let's make some money. Grind on, gentlemen and ladies. So today's been a crazy day. We started off with 5 barbers, and then J-Lo got sick, so she ended up leaving. So now we're down to 4 barbers, but definitely not enough barbers. Cause it's only it's 140 right now. I haven't barely stopping right now, and I'm already probably like 18 cuts in today. So it's been crazy busy. So we still got a few more hours to go. This is what it's all about, guys. This is what it's about. Getting that money on Saturdays, you know? Nobody wants to be sitting around on a busy day like today. They want to be making that feria. So, keep grinding, guys. Keep moving. I'm going to keep posting. And you guys have any questions or anything, let me know, all right? Seriously, I love when it's busy. I love when it's crazy busy. You know, and not only is it good for business, of course there's more money, you know, but when I don't know, it's something about being in the barbershop when, you know, the seats are full, you know, because at my shop it's all walk-ins, you know, we don't do appointments, so everybody that comes in has to wait, you know, and sometimes it gets crazy in there. There's, you know, and I see the customers coming in, you know, when you're the shop owner, you have to observe, you know, you have to observe and see who's up next and make sure that everybody gets taken care of, make sure nobody gets skipped. And it's kind of like it's like I think of it like a chess game, you know, and you're looking at all your people coming in, and you know, and I got these ones lined up, or I'm gonna put him in my line because I know he waits for me, or I don't know who he's gonna go with, so I gotta keep an eye on him, make sure he gets taken care of by one of the other guys. If he doesn't, then I gotta put him in my line, make sure that I take care of him. And you know, and it's just about managing your like at my shop I have stands, you know, it's not stands, they're benches, but it's 2 rows of benches, and I could probably seat about, I would say, at least 40 people in there, you know what I mean? So right now we got them all packed in there, so it's just a matter of, you know, picking and choosing and setting up your customers, you know. And like I always tell you guys, when the shop's like that, guys, I'm not even lying. It's not like I'm just doing one haircut and concentrating on that haircut. No, I'm thinking about the next haircut, and I'm thinking about the next haircut after that. It's like a chess match, you know. In chess, you don't just think you don't just think about the move that you're doing right there. You think about 2 or 3 moves ahead, so that the consequences for your next move aren't going to affect you. And it's the same thing when you're cutting hair, you know. You got to make sure that you're lining up all your customers properly, and you know how much time it's taking you, not to overcut, not to take too much time on that customer, and try to get them out of there, you know. It's very rare that the customer wants to actually chill out inside the shop and just relax there. No, they don't want to be there. They want to be gone. They got things to do too. So it's just it's about time management, guys. And when you're in the barbershop, that's what it is. You have to manage your time in there. You have to manage your customers and make sure that everybody's satisfied and everybody gets taken care of. That's it for today, guys. Finished off the day strong. 23 haircuts, starting at 7:15 in the morning. That's how you do it. Gotta do what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? Crazy busy today. Tomorrow's another day. Yep, another crazy day. Right now it is about 6:15. Been here since 7:15. It's a pretty crazy day. Short-handed again, of course. Can't seem to get enough barbers. I don't know why. Nobody wants to make money, I guess. If anybody knows of a barber that wants to make a lot of money, let me know. That's it for today, guys. Another crazy day. Tomorrow is Sunday. Tomorrow is Swami Day. So I'll be up early in the morning. I'm going to try to fly my drone in the morning, so I'll give you guys a little view of the sky, eye in the sky. So I'll see you guys mañana.